I used to fear English, but after learning from Samrat Sir, now I enjoy it a lot.
I have studied English with many teachers, but Samrat Sir is the best. He makes grammar and spoken English very easy to understand. I never get bored in his class because his lessons are attractive.
Learning English with Samrat Sir is an enjoyable journey. I'm very happy for his guidance and support.
I really enjoy learning from Samrat Sir. He explains everything in simple words, and now I can speak English more confidently.
Grammar rules felt complicated before, but now they are simple thanks to Samrat Sir.
Samrat Sir is the best English grammar. He teaches English grammar very effectively. Within a few months, I noticed a big improvement in my English.
I never thought grammar could be that interesting, but Samrat Sir proved me wrong. His teaching makes learning enjoyable.
Samrat Sir is an excellent English grammar teacher. His grammar lessons and his spoken classes are very interesting. I have improved a lot since joining his classes.